What if I told you someone cloned a $30,000 a year Bloomberg Terminal in a single afternoon using a $200 AI subscription? That clip got over 7 million views on X, and the tool behind it just changed the game. This is Perplexity Computer. Launched February 25th, 2026, Perplexity Computer is not a physical device. It's a cloud-based AI orchestration system. Think of it as a digital worker with 19 different AI brains. Claude Opus 4.6 handles deep reasoning. Gemini runs extensive research. GPT 5.2 manages long context recall. Grok handles lightweight, fast operations. Nano Banana generates images. Veo 3.1 produces video. And a conductor layer routes every task to the right model automatically. Here's how it works in practice. You go to perplexity.ai/computer. You type, "Build me a Bloomberg-style financial dashboard tracking NVIDIA stock." And then you watch. The system breaks your request into subtasks. It assigns specialized models to each one. Research agents pull real-time market data. Coding agents build the front end. Design agents handle the UI. In minutes, you have a functional financial dashboard deployed and live. But it doesn't stop at finance. One reviewer built branded UI component generators from a single brand guidelines file, pixel perfect, with live preview and PNG export. Another ran 4 parallel competitive analysis reports overnight. The system pushed finished apps directly to GitHub, all from natural language prompts. The key features that make this different: over 400 app integrations, persistent memory that carries context across sessions, background execution that runs for hours or even days while you sleep, and parallel agent execution. Multiple AI models working simultaneously on different parts of your project. Getting started is straightforward. You need the Perplexity Max plan at $200 per month. You get 10,000 credits monthly, and early adopters received a bonus 20,000 credits. But here's the smart move. Try demo mode first. It's free, and it lets you see the orchestration in action before committing. Now, who is this actually for? If you're an entrepreneur prototyping products, an analyst building research reports, a researcher synthesizing sources, or anyone who needs complex multi-step work done end-to-end, this is your tool. You specify the outcome, not the method. The AI figures out how to get there. Is it perfect? No. Outputs carry a generated with Perplexity Computer watermark. The $200 price tag is a real barrier. And skeptics rightly point out that an AI-built Bloomberg clone can't match real-time data feeds covering 200 billion pieces of financial data daily. But the signal here is unmistakable. The cost of building sophisticated software just collapsed. If you want to see more breakdowns of tools like this, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Drop a comment below telling me what you'd build with Perplexity Computer. I'll see you in the next one.